Okay, I thought I'd do another example just to make it absolutely clear what you're doing. Okay, so here we've got 18 families. These are families, 80 families. Again, I'd like to remind you, sometimes they don't tell you how many families there are, so you'd have to work it out by adding all of this up. And if you added all of these numbers up, okay, you'd find that they'd sampled 80 families. Okay, so these 18 people, okay, 18 families rather, they could have had 310, okay, in volume of water used, or they could have had 490, okay? You don't know whether it's more or less. You know it's between 300 and 400 only. The fair thing to do when you're doing an estimate, okay, and remember, it says in the question estimate, that is to use the halfway point, which is 450. And in the same way, I'm going to use the midpoint for all of these, which I like to write here. Okay, then what we need to do is to go, okay, so two lots of 50. Okay, so let me just put my calculator here. I'm going to do 2 lots of 50. Obviously that's 100. And I've got 4 lots of 150. I've got 6 lots of 250. And 18 lots of 350. And 44 lots of 450, which is 19,800, and 6 lots of 550, which is 3,300. Then I'm going to total up all the water that was used. So all the water that was used was 100 plus 600 plus 1,500 plus 63 plus 19800 plus 3300, and that gives me 31,600. Okay, and don't forget we had 80 families. Okay, so I now need to share that with the 80 families to get the mean, which is 395. So what I've done here is go 3,600 shared between the 80 families, okay, which gives me answer is mean use is 395 cubic meters. Okay. By the way, I've realised I've missed out a part of the question, which is modal. Notice that O. That there is to remind you that mode stands for most. Okay, so obviously this is the modal class. Okay, these are the classes, and so the answer to this one is just 400, 500. So I just move that into the middle so you can see it a bit better.